Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the O that stands for observation in the SOAP Bible study method. And so let's just jump right into it. So the next thing to do is to properly now pay attention, read the scripture carefully, the verse that you have written as your verse that you're studying, and you now should start looking for things like who said it, who are they speaking to, and you're making note of all of these things. What was happening around the time they said this, because usually you would have a scenario in which that particular verse came out from, which is the context. So who said it, who are they speaking to, and that will form the audience. Then you look at, are there some words that are repeated in there which may bring about to you the fact that there are some emphasis being laid upon, a certain word or an incident in the setting where that particular verse was, what made that verse to be said. And you also want to look, are there any transitional words such as therefore? So it means, let's say the verse started with therefore, that suggests to you that there was some, that is a consequence of what they were talking about. So you may want to go and pay attention to, why did they say therefore? Or maybe you have words such as but. Of course, we know that that connotes that there is something else happening there for that word to come about. So those kind of words, is there any theme with regards to what is being said there? And is there any kind of comparison being made from the verse? For instance, there's a word, if I'm looking at Psalm 119, verse 105 says, your word have I hid in my... No, the word is a lamp unto my path and a lamp unto my feet. So you're thinking there is a kind of comparison there in that sentence. And so that's all this consideration and looking at words, in details that were used in the verse would help you to really get into it. And you would see that a lot of understanding will be coming from the way you are looking and paying attention to how the verse came about and the way it's being expressed, and it will just open up to you and you will be surprised at so much that you're going to take away from it. So that is what you do when you're looking at observing the scripture, which is the second word in the SOAP method. If you're getting benefit from this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification button so you can receive an alert when a new video is being released. So if you have not already seen the video that I made on the whole, what each of the letter of the SOAP stand for, I'm going to link the video somewhere here. And for those that have not also seen what the S stands for, the brief of what I talked about in that video, I'll link it somewhere here as well, so you can watch both of them. And in the next episode, we're going to be looking at the A, which is application, the letter A, what it stands for, and the meaning in the SOAP method acronym. So see you next time. Bye. Next video. So thank you for watching and God bless.